Hello, this is Reggie from Picky Assist. We will start in another few seconds. So hope I am audible. If I am audible, please comment in the chat. All right. So hope I am audible to all of you. And good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Picky Assist webinar. And a very happy new year to all of you who joined this webinar, which we will discuss about the WhatsApp conversation-based billing. This is something, a new billing, which is scheduled to be go live in Feb 2022, that is next month onwards. So let's get started. Before that, we have team Picky Assist team who is joined in this webinar as a co-organizers. So in between, if you have any doubts, feel free to ask through the chat. They will help you clearing all your doubts. So let's get started. All right. So we will discuss below topics which we have already shared with you in the email, like how conversation-based billing works and how Picky Assist will bill existing customers, impact on existing business use cases. So we will discuss these three main topics today through this webinar. So first, let's see how the conversation billing works. There are two types of messages which is being defined by the WhatsApp for the new conversation-based billing. That is user initiated, like the customer care and general support inquiries. This is type 1, and type 2 is business initiated, like the post purchase notification, promotion offers, etc. So these are the two types of business, two types of messages the WhatsApp is defined for the new WhatsApp conversation based billing. The rates for the fees or charges for business initiated conversation and user initiated conversation vary by market. That means country or regions. We will explain this in very detailed. So first, let's jump into the user initiated message. So let's understand what is user initiated message. So as the name says that the message is initiated by the user. So you can see that a user sends a message to a business saying like, hello, I need help with my last order. And when the business replies, your order is under processing. So the moment a business replies to a user initiated conversation, or a message, a conversation begins. So a conversation starts only when the business reply delivered to the user, and a conversation is valid for 24 hours from the delivery time of the reply message, and it will not reset based on the user last message time. Those who are familiar with the existing billing, the user, the session or the 24 hours validity will get reset whenever a user sends a message. So that is no longer supported in the WhatsApp official user initiated messages. So the session will start only when a business replied to a user initiated message. So that is going to be the session start time. We will explain this in detail in coming slides with examples. So the charges for the user initiated messages. So charges, the business will be charged for the user initiated message only when the business replies to the user and the message, and it is based on the user country. That means the users who are sending message to business. So it varies from, if a user is sending message from India, you have to pay to WhatsApp according to the price which is defined for the India, and if it's from a United States, then the price varies. So only one time fees for 24 hours. So unlike like those, there is no per message charges. So you need to pay, or the business need to pay only one time for 24-hour sessions. And when a conversation session is valid, then business can send unlimited free hand messages. So what is free hand form messages means that you can send any type of message, like a customer care support messages or interactive messages. So there is no need for a template. So whenever a user initiated session is active, then for the next 24 hours, you will be able to, or business will be able to send any type of messages, freehand messages, and business will be charged only once. So let's explain this with the more examples. So conversation session validity. A conversation session is valid only for 24 hours from the delivery time of the first business reply message to a user initiate message. That means whenever you are replying to an incoming message which is sent by a user, then the 24 hours session is starting, and it will start only when the message is delivered. Like if you're sending a message and if the user is offline, or if the user message is not delivered, then the session will not start. The session will start only from the time of the delivery. So let's take an example here. So user initiated a message at day 1 at 1:23 p.m. saying that, hello, I need help with my order. So a user initiated a message day 1, 1:23 p.m., 1:23 p.m. saying that, hello, I need help with my last order. So the business replied, hello, your order is under processing. The day 1, around at 7 minutes, after 7 minutes, 1:30 p.m. So business reply got delivered to the user, and the 24 hours session starts here. And the 24-hour session starts only when the reply from the business got delivered, and the business is built for the user initiated conversation. And the 24 hours session is going to be end in the day 2 at 1:30 p.m. That is day 1 to 1:30 p.m. The business replied, the session starts, and day 2 at 1:30 p.m. the 24-hour session validity ends. So this is the session period. During the session period, that is day 1, 1:30 to 1:30 p.m. to day 2, 1:30 p.m. This is a session period, since it's a user initiated message and you replied it, or business replied it. So during the session period, a freehand form unlimited messages can be sent. There are no charges for that. So this is called as a user initiated message, and this is the session validity for the user initiated messages. So let's look user initiated message at a glance. Like user initiated conversation starts only when business replies to the user incoming message. The 24-hour session will start only from the business reply message delivery time. User initiated session is valid only for 24 hours from the delivery time of the first reply message given by the business. Session will not reset based on the user last message time. So this need to be noted that the session will not get resetted even if your users are replying. Okay, so once it is started, it will completely the session will out within the 24 hours or after the 24 hours, not within the 24 hours. After 24 hours, the session will get expired. Business will be charged only once during the 24 hours, and charges will vary based on the user country. That means you have to pay based on the user country from the messages coming. Any type of messages that is freehand can be sent during the 24-hour session. So this is all about the user initiated messages. So now let's jump into the business initiated template messages. So business initiated is the current existing template mechanism. If there is no session validity, or if there is no 24-hour session valid, then the business can initiate a message, and it using the pre-approved templates of the WhatsApp. So the logic remains same here, but there are certain changes for the business initiated template messages as well. Well, let's see. So in this scenario, the brand or the business is sending a message to the user whenever an order is being placed in their website. So they are sending a message. The user never initiate this conversation. The business initiate the conversation based on any events. So this conversation is going to be purely pre-approved template based. It can be marketing or it can be transactional based, but the template needs to be approved from the WhatsApp. So the moment the business sends a message and the message got delivered to the user, a conversation begins. So, and it is valid for 24 hours. So the conversation begins when the business initiated message which got delivered to the user, the conversation begins. And further, business able to send further update using the template, pre-approved template. Like business can send that order is preparing and will be dispatched soon. So you can send any number of messages. Your order is out for delivery, your order is delivered at this particular time, and you will be charged only once, and it again based on the user country. That means the business will be charged for the business initiated message as per the recipient country, and it will again charge only once. That means the first message which the business initiated will be charged, and subsequent messages till the 24 hours session period will not be charged, even if it is a template message. Right now, those who are familiar with the template message know that whenever you are sending a template message, you will be charged. So with the new update or the conversation based billing, there will be no charges. That means only one time you have to pay based on the user initiate, based on the user country, and next 24 hours you can send an unlimited business initiated or template messages. So let's understand more about the session validity. The session validity logic is again same here. A conversation session is valid for 24 hours from the delivery of the first business initiated message, and the session validity will not get reset. So for example, let's say that a business initiated a message saying, hello, we have received your order day 1 at 1:30 p.m. and the business initiates the message, 24 hours session starts, then the business is built for the message, the first message. Then the session get expired on day 2nd at 1:30 p.m. That means 24 hours session validity ends. So during this session period, unlimited pre-approved templates can be sent. Please note that only pre-approved template can be sent only during this period. But if the user is getting user is reply in between, then the session will not get extended, but you will be able to send freehand form messages. So we will cover this with another example in the coming slides. So let's look business initiated message at glance. So business initiated conversation starts only when the message sent by the business is delivered to the user. Business initiated session is valid only for 24 hours from the delivery time of the first message sent by the business. Business will be charged only once during the 24 hours, and charges will vary based on the user country. Only pre-approved WhatsApp templates can be sent if no user reply message is received within 24 hours session. If you are receiving, if the user is replying to your template message, then you will be able to send freehand form messages, but the session validity will not get extended based on the user message time. Then unlimited WhatsApp pre-approved template can be sent during the 24 hours session period. Now we will just explain the both scenario. Like we will take an example of user initiated message followed by business initiated message, and how the billing and session works in this scenario. So we will take the both cases. So let's start with an example. A user from India initiates a message. Okay, why I'm saying India? Since we have a conversation-based billing, which vary from the country to country. So user from India initiates a message day 1 at 1:30 p.m. saying hello. Then the business replied at 1:45 p.m. The reply is being delivered at 1:45 p.m. and the 24 hours session starts here. Then the business is billed. So charges for India, here the user initiated, it is going to be $0.0040. So this is the user initiate charges, and the moment the business reply it got delivered, the session got started and the business is built for the user initiated. Please note the charges vary from country to country. I'm just demonstrating here for India only. So now in the day 2nd at 1:45 p.m. the 24-hour session validity ends. So during the session period, you will be able to send freehand form unlimited messages. and the session is valid only for the 24 hours. That means whenever you replied to the incoming message, that is day 1 at 1:45 p.m. the business replied and the session starts, and day 2 at 1:45 p.m. the session expires. So during this period, business able to send unlimited free session messages or free hand form messages. Even template messages can also be sent. If there are no problems, there will be no charges. So you will be billed only once for the user initiated messages, like that is 0.004040 for India. Now, let's say that business initiated another message in the day 3 at 2:45 p.m. Okay, so it is going to be a template message because there is no session. The day 3 to 45 p.m. there is no session, so the business have to initiate a template message. Now the 24 hours session starts the moment the template message got delivered to the user and the business is built. Now in this, the business is built for the business initiated transaction. So it cost $0.0066 for India. So this is so charges are different for user initiated and business initiated messages, and it varies from country to country. Here, day 3 to 45 p.m. a template message is being sent by a business and got delivered to the user, and the 24-hour session starts and business is built for the business initiated charges. Now in the day 3, again at 5 p.m. another template message sent by the business, but there will be no charges because it is within the session period. Now again the user replied at the day 4 8:30 a.m. So the day 4 8:30 a.m. you got a reply from the user, but here there are no charges. But during this period, the business reply messages again at day 4 11 a.m. the business given a reply to the user, and the session is going to be end at day 4 2:45 p.m. So the 24-hour session validity is going to be end at the day 4 2:45 p.m. So this is the session validity. So the day 3 where the business initiated the message at 2:45 p.m. to the day 4 2:45 p.m. So this is a session, a conversation session. Okay, so during this session period you can send unlimited number of pre-approved template messages or a session message. Session message can be sent only if the freehand form messages can be sent only if the user replied. Since you can see that the user is replied in the day 4 8:30 a.m. So here the user is replied, and this is the period where businesses able to send the free hand form unlimited message. So day 4 8:30 a.m. From day 4 8:30 a.m. to day 4 2:45 p.m. where the session is going to be end. During this period, businesses are able to send unlimited free hand form, unlimited free hand messages. So this is how the user initiated and the business initiated works together. So now we will move to that how PickAssist will bill you. Hope this is clear to you how the user initiated message and business initiated message works. And we will move to the next slide, that is how the PickAssist will bill you. So new billing plan. So we have already shared a link with all of our existing customers by email. So I will be demonstrating. This is a new plan. There are no changes in the plan. But only 2 changes which we introduced. A free conversation is given monthly to all the business numbers, all the WhatsApp official. So this is from the Facebook side, not from our side. Every number receives 1,000 conversation free, And from our side, we are giving a free credits which can be only used for the business initiated or template messages after the free limit which is given by the Facebook, that is 1,000 in every plan. You will be getting 1,000 conversation, and the 1,000 conversation can from any country. So we will explain that in detail. Okay. So the free credit, can be used for the user or business initiated messages, and you will be billed from your PickAssist account only after the free limit got exhausted. So this is the pricing which is published by the Facebook. You can see in their website as well. So we will be following this pricing based on the country. So we even have shared the country-wise pricing in an Excel sheet with you. So this is the pricing for all the countries. You can go through the page and get the pricing. So PickAssist also for the same pricing which is published by the Facebook. Then let's explain a billing with an example here. So user initiated conversation. So we are going to be bill you based on the calendar month. So user initiated conversation, let's assume that you have a 10,000 user initiated conversation in a month. Then we have 15,000 business initiated conversation in a month, and you are using a medium plan which costs you $199, which comes with 1,000 conversation free and $50 as per the plan. So we are demonstrating again based on the charges for India, where user initiated 10,000 message, where the user initiated message cost for India is $0.0040. So it costs $40. Then the business initiated messages. So 15,000 business initiated message happens in that particular month, and it costs $99 as per the charges for India. So this both consider as a usage charges. So the $40, that is business initiated plus the the user initiated plus the business initiated, becomes your usage charges, and usage charges is going to be $139 for a calendar month. Now a free discount on usage charges that vary from the plan to plan and is applied over the usage charges. So $50 is being applied as a free discount from PickAssist side, and payable usage charges becomes 89 after the plan discount is applied. Then the monthly rental, which is fixed, 199 you have to pay for maintaining the Docker and every other services. So the payable amount per month is going to be 288. This is going to be variable, depends on your user initiated and the business initiated conversation counts. And this demonstration doesn't include the first free 1,000 conversations. Okay, so you will be billed only, the billing will start only after the free 1,000 conversation happens. So how it is going to be a work? So first 1,000 conversation for any country, because WhatsApp doesn't bill based on the country for the free conversation, so it can happen from any countries. Okay, so it will be only count the conversation. So the first 1,000 conversations free, then a business will be start billing, and the actual billing starts only after the free discount credit got applied, or we can say that it will get discounted in your monthly bill. So this is how the entire WhatsApp official billing, the new conversation billing works with the PickAssist platform. So let's have a glance at PickAssist billing. There will be no more interaction limit or session message charges. Earlier, those who are using that, we have different plans which have a session message limits, but we are not limiting because it is going to be impact certain user and business use cases. So we are not charging anything as of now for the interactions messages or session messages charges. There are no charges from our side. Then no markup on WhatsApp conversation charges. So we are passing the same charges which the WhatsApp is officially published. We are not adding any markup on the conversation charges. And monthly free credit worth on usage charges we are giving to minimize any impact to certain business use cases. Those who are using business initiated messages, those who are using user initiated message more. So we are giving a free credit. Then free 1,000 conversations in every month, all countries for both user initiated and business initiated conversation. That means you will be able to send even business initiated conversation that will be count against the 1,000 conversation. That is a free. Then no more per template messages charges. So that you will be billed only once. That is for the first template message you send. Further messages will not be billed for next 24 hours. So there are certain other like billing cycle will change from current to calendar month. That means current you might be paying a variable date like from a 23rd to next month 23rd, but this is going to be changed from the Feb 1st because to get the maximum benefit for the 1,000 conversation, then we have to move to a calendar month based billing for all WhatsApp official accounts. It will be we will be sending a mail separate how it is going to be work and how we will be prorated based billing will be done to adjust before we get started in the okay. Then there will be a 5% payment processing fees for all Phil wallet transactions, which we are going to be in, like right now there are no cost for adding money into the wallet or the PickYassist account. But we are forced to add a payment processing fees because WhatsApp switched to a completely conversation based billing, and we are not adding any markup to the cost. The PayPal or whatever the payment gateway which we use, PayPal or Razorpay, they charge over the top of the amount which we do the transaction. There is no charges for the monthly rental. The charges only happen when you are adding a money into the wallet. This money is going to be used for the business initiated or user initiated message after the free limit got exhausted. So build for all conversation as per the user country after the free. So these are certain things which you need to note. This is going to be happen from the 1st Feb 2022 onwards. Then we will discuss impact on the existing business use cases. So we will have two scenarios here. Those who are sending high volume notification, it's obviously a good advantages. No more per template messages charges. Like if you are sending a lot of order confirmation within the 24 hours, right now you are billed for each and every messages. So now there will be no such billing. So you will be billed only once. Then can send unlimited number of template message within 24 hours. Then charge only once in every 24 hours. So these are some good points for those businesses who are sending high volume notifications, or those businesses who business is more aligned to send a business initiated message always. But when you are using services like chatbots, customer care, or support, or interactive messages, then you need to pay for user initiated message. That means whenever you are replying back, then you have to pay. So this is going to be impact for those business use cases like a chatbots, customer care, or support, or interactive use cases where you need to pay for the user initiated messages as well. So this will happen whenever you reply to the user initiated message. So the charges will vary based on the user of the country, and no more session reactivation. This is also need to be noted that there are no more session reactivation based on user last message time. Session is valid only for 24 hours from the business reply given time, delivered time. So that need to be noted. Right now the session get reactivated, which opens a indefinite session if the user keep engaging with you. But that is no more valid with the conversation based billing. The conversation based billing, WhatsApp consider billing for the incremental of 24 hours. That means every 24 hours, if you are replying, you will be billed. Okay, that the bill will based on either it is a user initiated or a business initiated based on the category of the message, then you will be billed. So in between, if you have any doubts, so we have entered our webinar sessions. So in between, if you have any doubts, then you can send to support@pickassist.com, or you can clarify with our support team right now through the chat as well. We have updated these details in our blog. This blog, which is already sent to you. You will be able to see all these informations, and we have uh, all the different examples is being given in different scenarios. The new rental, the plan, then the country-wise conversation billing. You can able to download it from here. So this is how we are going to be charged for. This is in the USD. Okay, this is same as the WhatsApp charges. We can see, and all the FAQs is also added here. How if you got any questions, like you will be able to get the answers. The FAQ keep updating based on the users